You're not indecisive, you're just a coward. Look, if you're constantly stuck choosing between two jobs, two girls, two gyms, two anything, this is for you. I'm going to show you how to make better decisions in 10 seconds flat. No meditation, no pros and cons lists, just results. Here's what's killing you. You think more time equals better decisions. Wrong. Research shows that after about 10 minutes of deliberation, decision quality drops. Your brain starts inventing problems that don't exist. You're not being thorough. You're just scared of being wrong. The average person makes 35,000 decisions a day. If you spend even 2 extra minutes on the small ones, that's over 1,000 wasted hours a year. You're literally thinking your life away. Most decisions, reversible. That job, you can quit. That girl, you can break up. That gym membership, it's month to month. So why are you treating every choice like it's life or death? Here's the system. 3 questions, 10 seconds total. Question 1. Will this matter in 5 years? If no, pick the option that sounds more fun or convenient. Done. Next. If yes, move to question 2. Question 2. What would I tell my best friend to do? You give great advice to others because you're not emotionally attached to their problems. Remove yourself from the equation. What's the obvious answer? Still stuck? Final question. Which option makes me slightly uncomfortable? Not terrified, just uncomfortable. That low-grade anxiety, that's usually growth. The comfortable option is almost always the stagnant one. Boom, 10 seconds. You just made a decision. But what about my intuition? What about gut feelings? Great question. Here's the thing. Your gut is only as good as your experience. If you've been in sales for 10 years, your gut about a client is probably gold. If you've been dating for 3 months, your gut about relationships is probably garbage. So here's the rule. Trust your gut in areas where you have reps. Everywhere else, use the framework. And here's the kicker. The more decisions you make quickly, the better your gut gets. You're building pattern recognition. You're training your instincts. Indecision doesn't make you careful. It makes you weak. Every time you waffle, you're teaching your brain that you can't be trusted. Stop it. I had a client who spent 6 weeks deciding between 2 job offers. Same pay, similar roles, different cities. I asked him, flip a coin right now. He did. It landed on Chicago. I said, how do you feel? He said, honestly, disappointed. I wanted Austin. Boom, decision made. 30 seconds. Your subconscious already knows. You're just afraid to admit it. Here's what you're doing today. Find one decision you've been putting off. Could be small, what to eat, whether to text someone back, which project to start. Set a timer for 10 seconds. Ask the 3 questions. Make the choice before the timer hits 0. Then, and this is critical, do not revisit it. No takebacks. No, let me sleep on it. You decided. Move forward. Do this 5 times today. Build the muscle. Look, the world rewards action, not contemplation. Nobody's building statues for the guy who really thought things through. They're building them for the guy who moved, failed, adjusted, and moved again. Overthinking isn't protecting you. It's killing your momentum. It's stealing your time. And worst of all, it's making you boring. You want to be interesting? Make fast decisions and own the outcomes. You want to be successful? Same thing. The 10-second rule isn't about being reckless. It's about trusting yourself enough to move forward and smart enough to adjust when you're wrong. So stop waiting for perfect information. It doesn't exist. Stop waiting to feel ready. You never will. Make the call. Take the shot. Start the thing. If this helped, smash that subscribe button. I drop psychology and self-improvement content like this every week. No fluff, just tools you can use today. Now, get out there and make a damn decision.